Hello, Adima.
Hey, Adi.
Ade.
You don't listen to me.
Ade.
Bisi, tatai solo.
Bishi sile bukulam na kalabangi atel logolo bishi sile.
Solo, misai.
Adima, what are you doing here? Hello, Adi. We are in Queen's Garden and Central Garden. Today's Eid Day, Eid al-Adha, 16th of June 2024. No, you can't crawl. Hello? Hello? Don't crawl. Just walk. Stand up. Yeah. You wanna take a pebble? Okay. And here is Adia. And here is Abi. And Atif. And Saima. And here is the two other children. Here is Ayub, and Alice is inside the slide. And this is myself.
I think we're going to real this is speaking test to 3 days.